mama's calling.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
Hello, ma. Oh, ano yan? Kumusta? Okay, ma. Okay, bye. Bye. We're heading for dinner now.
Yes, let's go eat. I'm starving. ATV riding is like rigorous though. My back hurts.
See, that's why he asked us to wait for that ATV, because that one he said it's easy to maneuver. The other one is an older one, so he said it's really hard.
Yeah.
So I'm glad that we waited for that one. Yeah, I know. Oh, look at that. Look at the horizon, and there's the restaurant. Watch it.
Let's walk. Let's keep walking. Trying to walk, make our way around. This is one of the pools we used the other day. It's really quiet here and nice. Misibis Bay.
Spice Market. Gonna go buffet or a la carte?
Let's do a la carte.
Okay, let's go.
Oh.
So it's dinner time. So first, of course, we have the steamed rice, and we have this is fish. It's called inona fish, and then you have roasted chicken and pepper, and you have Bicol Express, and then this salpicao, and then here you have the muk. It's like similar to pinangat, but I think there's something inside. Okay, and then there's that one is steamed fish. They have for dessert watermelon, mango. Ooh, they have banana cream pie right there. Banana cream pie. And what's this? That's interesting. Yeah, so I don't know what it is, but it looks good. And they have pineapple crisp. It is like, yeah, there was apple crisp the other day, and now they have pineapple crisp. And there's a salad, calamari, and this is the salad bar. So that's the same one as earlier, and then lettuce, lettuce, and then some of these other like olive capers and corn and jalapeno. This is the tinutungan, pork tinutungan. So there's like a pork belly.
Yeah.
It's cooked in coconut milk. But the coconut milk, they like burned it, like not really burned. Like, how do I explain that? Like, yeah, they
bake it?
No. It's like they burn it, and there's like a really good smell of like burnt coconut, but it's really good. And you have the grilled chicken. Chicken, right? And some grilled veggies. Ryan is eating the tinutungan pork. It's like crispy pork belly with cooked in coconut milk. The coconut milk was like, what do you call it? It was burnt. It's called tinutungan. It was so crispy. It was so good. If I would have another dinner here, I'm gonna order it again. But yeah, this is our last dinner here, and we're heading back to Oriental. Okay, honey, enjoying your dinner?
No, it's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah,
So,
I like that.
Yeah?
And this was a recommendation from
Carlo.
Yeah, I had it card.
I put it away.
Okay.
I put away so it was the recommendation, the pork. Yeah, and it's really good.
Are you gonna post this and tag your boot camp?
No.
Oh.
That's the ubi ice cream. That's ube, makapuno. Those are like beans. It's black beans. And then these are like, we call it kaong. This is like jackfruit. And this is nata de coco in red. That's makapuno. And then nata de coco in white color. So yeah, that's
dessert.
So I have a halo here. So we've been here for a week and I still haven't tried halo. So I saw someone eating halo earlier at the resort, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try the halo here. And let's see, that's halo. That means mix. I think, okay, let's try mixing it. Oh, let's have a bite of the ice cream first. That one tastes good. You want a bite?
No, I'm okay.
No? That's really good. Now, I think it's hard to mix it. So the proper way is mix it together. It's the way it's called halo. You mix it. This is the way of. This is how I mix it. Go from the side. I think I'm gonna make a mess. So yeah. Oops. Oh my god. Board is not gonna be happy seeing me eating this. My coach Brittany. Hold on. Yeah, mix. That's the item. The beans. It's too big. Are you done with your coffee?
Yeah.
Can I think
Sure.
I'm gonna take out some ice because I feel like it's too much. So I'll just transfer that there. I feel like too much ice. So there you go. I have more space. Easier to mix it.
Oh, look at all the colors.
Look at that. Let's see. It has to be mixed well. Yeah. Overflowing. Okay, let's get this one.
Good?
Yes, good. I think after we eat, I have to run around 10 times. So I'll burn all the halo and then the pork belly that I ate.
How does it compare to the Jollibee's one?
Actually, I haven't had a halo and Jollibee, so maybe we should try that later on. Maybe tomorrow.
When we get back
Monday.
to Legazpi.
Yeah, but there's a place here in Tiwi that's very popular for halo. But I think they have a branch at the mall, so
Right.
we can try that. I can't remember the name. It said DCG or something like that.
Right.
Yeah, it's at the mall at Pacific Mall, so we can try that.
No, it's melted.
That's supposed to be melted, right?
melted, and then here's the extra ice.
Yeah,
This looks like, you know, in the parking lots when you see the snow, and it's like leftover snow that never melts. This ice never seems to melt, just sitting here in this cup.
Here, see? This one, see this? Is it right?
Yeah.
Check this. Check.
Oh,
See, this one is the this is candy. It look like jackfruit candied, and this one is we call kaong. It's like a I don't know what do you call this in English? Like a palm fruit, like. And this one, I don't know what to call this. Yeah.
it's like purple. It doesn't even, I don't know, that.
Just the ice cream, melted.
This is the one thing I don't find appetizing. I'm sure it's good, but I don't know. Let's see.
Yum. Oops. I think this is my last bite. It's too much and it's too sweet.
So you're done with the halo halo?
Done.
Let's see what's
This is,
left.
I think, good for 2 or 3 person.
You did pretty good for one person.
No, it's like here. It was up to here. So. Ang flavor sa inyo.
Thanks, Sugar Mama. I just sit here and look pretty and she does the rest. Where to next?
Oh, let me just post this. Look at this picture I want to post.
Let's
See,
see.
like a really nice young lady took this picture of us. I asked a favor for her to take a picture of us by the beach. Can't forget about this phone. Mama's gonna... Ha? Dito man. Nagahal kanina. Hindi man sabi ko, minessage ko mag-call back. Ano?
But it's so red, look. A little too much time in the sun today. That was all worth it, right? And then mosquito bites as well.
Yeah, you have to be here.
You know, they just like my blood. Just waiting for Sally to update her Instagram.
Yeah, post one. And pass to this.
Leave out the door.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna get some.
Yeah, what?
Thank you.
Chocolate chip one?
Oh no.
Huh?
Oh no.
Oh. Pretend we didn't see it. Maybe it's a chocolate chip. Is there another one?
Yeah, there's another one.
Alright, we don't get that. Oh wait.
I'm gonna give it to her.
Alright.
Okay, thank you.
Some desserts. Dinner is done. And now heading back to the room because we're tired and we've had a long night. But look at the moon.
See the moon? And you can see the stars from here too.
Yeah. See, I can zoom in on the moon. Yeah, you can see it.
It's a half moon, but why it's like a full moon on your
The resort's really nice at night, huh?
Yeah.
Shall we?
We shall. Let's go.
We should head back to the room. So, yeah, it was good food. I had some pork. I usually don't really eat pork, but I enjoyed it. I almost feel like going for another swim. Look. Oh, nice, huh?
Look, I was going into our room, and look what I was using to.
What is that?
Remember when it brought the kids to
The arcade
the
time.
arcade? I'm like, why it's not opening? I was using the arcade.
Alright. That's it. We're turning in for the night. Have a good night.